Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you GK 4th chapter Famous Places. Every country in the world has a few famous places which leave an everlasting impression. These places always attract the tourist. It is a place of interest where tourists visit typically for its inherent or an exhibited natural or cultural value, historical significance, natural or built beauty, offering leisure and amusement. Students, now let us study some important famous places of the world. The Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars, with the names of all French victories and generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. Beneath its walls rise the tomb of the unknown soldiers from the World War I. Cristo the Redeemer is a statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, that was built as a symbol of Brazilian Christianity. In 1850, the idea of building a religious monument was first suggested by a Catholic priest. It wasn't until 1920, when a group petitioned for support to build a landmark statue, that it became a reality. The Sistine Chapel. The Sistine Chapel is a chapel in the Apostolic Palace, the official residence of the Pope in Vatican City. Since that time, the chapel has served as a place of both religious and functionary papal activity. The Merlion. The Merlion is a national symbol of the city-state of Singapore. It is depicted as a mythical creature with a lion's head and the body of a fish. The lion head represents Singapore's original name, Singapura, meaning Lion City. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is an enormous Buddhist temple complex located in northern Cambodia. Its name, which translates to temple city in the Khmer language of the religion, references the fact it was built by Emperor Suryavarman II, who ruled the region from 1103 to 1150 as the state temple and political center of his empire. The Parthenon. The Parthenon was the center of religious life in the powerful Greek city state of Athens, the head of the Delian League, built in the 5th century BC. It was a symbol of the power, wealth and elevated culture of Athens. It was the largest and most lavish temple the Greek mainland had ever seen. Around 500 million years ago, the whole area became covered in sea. Sand and mud fell to the bottom and covered the seabed, including these fans. The weight of the new seabed turned the fans into rock. The sandy fan became sandstone, while the rocky fan becomes conglomerate rock.